In this video, we're going to talk about the best web hosting software in 2022 to make your business grow. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. The hosting provider you choose is crucial to the success of your website. A reputable web host keeps your site online and helps you avoid unnecessary downtime. Here's a list of the best web hosting software in 2022 to make your business grow. Let's start. HostGator. HostGator is best for any business that's looking for simple websites. If you don't need a boatload of extra features from your web hosting provider, go with HostGator. HostGator offers an extensive list of how-to guides for technical support. If you don't find the answers you need, you can turn to phone, live chat, and email support. DreamHost. DreamHost offers stellar month-to-month pricing along with very solid hosting performance. In fact, their month-to-month plans start at $1.99 per month. This plan includes one website with unlimited traffic, unmetered bandwidth, and a free SSL certificate. A great deal. BlueHost. BlueHost is one of the most popular web hosting companies in the world, especially among people launching their first site. They offer great rates and a beginner-friendly platform that makes every aspect of running a website easy. Hostinger. Hostinger is the best choice if you're looking to spend as little as possible to still get incredibly reliable performance. Their hosting plans range from $1.99 per month to $4.99 per month. Hostinger's most popular plan is the Premium Shared Hosting Plan, which costs $2.59 per month and provides everything you need to start up to 100 websites. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching!